Michael Rain Cruz. Tignan natin. Or is it Ran Berganya? Whoa! What a good start from our pole sitter, Michael Rain Cruz. I think it's a sure hole shot. While Ran Berganya, I think, was swallowed up by the pack. I don't think he will be in second by the end of this lap. Yes, it's not Ran Berganya. Ran Berganya fell to third. Is it Jasper Castro, the dark bike, number 95? Let's see. Looks like it's the suit of... I think it's Darren De Guzman. Can it be Darren De Guzman? Yes, it's Darren De Guzman in second position. Then Ran Berganya in third. So I don't know what happened with Jasper Castro. But bike number 34, Darren De Guzman from fourth out to second position. Here comes Ran Berganya trying to reclaim that second position from Darren De Guzman. It's a good clean start by our grid. And Michael Rain Cruz, again, ito pong wala pong machine rules itong Petron Scooter King. Kumbaga, bring your best bakal. Unlike kanina, meron tayong 125, 160. Ito, bring your best bakal. The only thing we control is the safety.
And the scooter oil.
Yes.
The scooter oil
Yes,
should
of
be
course.
the Petron Sprint scooter oil.
Yes.
So right before they have had the warm-up sessions, ladies and gentlemen, we made sure that they will have to change their oils to the Petron Sprint scooter. Yes po, we have had warm-up session and everything before this official race, so we are sure that all of them are actually using Petron Sprint scooter oil. And right now on your screen, we have our top 3 riders competing. Our pole position, well, still on P1, Michael Rain Cruz, with only 0.07 seconds behind is Darren De Guzman. And on P3 is rider number 7, Ran Berganya, who is actually back for 0.42 seconds from taking... Okay.
Ran Berganya.
That was the inside lane taken over by Ran Berganya, is what you saw there.
Yes.
That was a wide turn.
Yeah, Ran Berganya is a master of that sector 2 because of the Youth Cup, no? So alam na niya lahat ng racing like that. Meanwhile, they're being joined by a fourth rider. I think it's Renzi Vigo.
Renzi Vigo,
the champion in the 125, is joining them. So it's now gonna be a 4 scooter battle for the lead. Bumubulusok na naman po si Renzi Vigo. Tignan natin. It's now 4 riders batting for the lead. Michael Rain Cruz, Berganya, De Guzman, and Renzi Vigo, all less than a second covering the 4. With Vigo 4th place but just 0.76 seconds behind your leader Michael Rain Cruz. The next rider is almost 4 seconds behind. Oh, there's a change in position. Darren De Guzman made an inside pass on Ran Berganya. And nakala namin makukuha uli ni Ran Berganya, but hopefully we got that on replay. It was a good move. Ito
the
na naman.
sector 2 again.
Yes. This time it was Darren De Guzman who made that move. Retaking that second position. Meanwhile, in front of all those overtaking is Michael Rain Cruz, who is now pulling away kasi pag naglalaban yung dalawa, bumabagal sila. So this gives Michael Rain Cruz
an advantage.
A chance to get away from the pack. But look at that blue scooter, Renzi Vigo, who will try to take the 4th place from Ran Berganya. Not this time. But whoa, Renzi Vigo bumubulusok. Here goes Renzi Vigo. Wow, what a move from the outside. Wow, what a brave move on the outside by Renzi Vigo of DWPO Racing Team. That got us on our feet and shouting. What an exciting move from our new SGP 105 champion, Renzi Vigo, on the outside, taking a podium place. And he goes another one. This time now. One on the inside.
Vigo taking the second spot away from Darren De Guzman.
Wow,
right now,
can he make it another improvement?
Let's
can he take Michael Rain Cruz for the lead? In just 1 lap from 4th place, he's now up to 2nd. Can he make it one better? Can he cross the finish line in the lead? Renzi Vigo is on fire.
Definitely, I think he's using the late
Go.
braking zone.
Oh!
There you go, almost.
He tried.
That was a tight zone. tight turning zone. Grabe, that's the second to the last
Really?
tight corner. Grabe, with only 3 laps to go, ladies and gentlemen. There has been a lot of exchanges in here. Vigo coming on for a P4 now on
There you
P2
go,
and
on the
taking the
inside.
inside lane,
And
taking over Michael Rain Cruz.
And Vigo is now on the lead in just a matter of about 1 lap.
Yep.
From 4th
To P1
to
right
P1,
now.
Renzi Vigo
Grabe.
is now, I think he's gonna pull away na kasi his pace is really fast. He
should-
could not have catch those 3 if his pace was at the same pace as
Yep.
them. Look at that, Renzi Vigo already pulling away in the lead.
Grabe.
So
Should really take care of that P1
Yeah.
post.
So mukhang talagang si Renzi Vigo, alam mo kung bakit? 10,000 pesos yan
Oo
eh.
naman, grabe. Paglalabanan nyo pa naman ang 7 laps of races lang yan, pero you get to take home. Oh my gosh, Michael Rain Cruz is down. Let's see if he will not finish or he will possibly lose that lap.
Yes, Michael Rain Cruz lost 2nd place while trying to retake the lead from Renzi Vigo.
Unfortunately.
So it's now Renzi Vigo followed by
let's see who
De
is
Guzman.
following. Let's see that instant
De
replay again.
Guzman
What
and of
happened
course
there?
Begania. Here we go.
What happened there on that?
Oh, lost the rear.
Ah.
He lost the rear. His rear tire hit the dirty part of the inside of the apex and lost the. He clipped it too near the apex, no?
What
But-
happens if we hit the dirty part
Yeah,
of the...
that's losing traction. So, especially kikita mo nakahiga kasi siya eh.
Yep.
Siguro if he was upright, he could have saved it. Like Renzi Vigo saved that in the hairpin
Kanina,
where
yes.
he nearly flared, but he was more upright, so he was able to save that. But this time, Michael Rain Cruz was really naka-lean siya, so no chance of saving that slide.
Unfortunately, we're sorry for Michael Rain Cruz, but right now on your screen right is our P1 post. Biker number 2, we have Vigo, Renzi Kidlat Vigo, and followed by Darren De Guzman. Also on our top 3 riders is biker number 7, Rand Berganya,
Wow.
with only 2 seconds behind Vigo. Let's see, is Vigo... Oh,
Yes,
that's
this is
breaking
for the last
away.
lap.
Yep, last
Okay,
lap
last
na.
lap for Renzi Vigo. Looks like it's a sure 10,000 peso win for
Ah.
Renzi Vigo this afternoon in the Scooter King Novice Division.
Yep.
Renzi Vigo is also a top Honda Pilipinas Dream Cup rider.
And also, Vigo is just 12 years
Yes,
old.
he
Very
used-
young.
He used to be a Youth Cup Reserve rider also 2 years ago. But look at Renzi Vigo now. He left Namsa USA Racing for a while.
For a
But
while,
he's
just for a
back
while.
and it's good to have him back. And now look, he's now showing the talent in the proper venue. Here goes
And
Rand
now,
Berganya.
let's see the battle for the second spot on P2 right now is Darren De Guzman, and Rand Berganya on P3. That's bike number 7 is trying to steal that P2 post from Darren De Guzman. Let's see, we still have a couple of turns to go, and he's trying to take in the inside lane, but let's see if he's gonna take the outside with only 2 turns.
Here we go!
remaining. Oh, Rand
Rand
Berganya
Berganya on his own slid and lost a
sorry
sure
about that.
podium place. So it's Renzi
Grabe!
Vigo taking the win and 10,000 pesos.
Congratulations,
Darren
and
De
of course, Darren De
Guzman.
Guzman on second.
And 5,000. Let's see who will be in
The third.
third. Because Rand Berganya slid. Who's gonna be take third? Si Rand Berganya pa rin ba? Yes, it's still Rand
it's the Rand
Berganya.
Berganya.
That's how far they are.
Grabe.
That's
Ang
how
bilis
far
nga
the
naman talaga
battle
niyang
is.
tumayo. Grabe naman, Rand
They-
Berganya.
So,
Still.
despite the crash, Rand Berganya still managed to get third place. Let's
Grabe.
look at the replay. Let's look at the replay.
Let's
Iba
look at
talaga
the replay.
nagagawa ng cash.
Oo naman.
Ikaw naman.
Ito talaga ang motivation natin for this
Oo.
race. It's the cash.
Yeah, let's look at Rand Berganya trying to get the inside lane, no?
Yep.
Pero this is the part where he slid.
Now, this is where he slid.
Whoa!
And let's see if we still
Okay,
have the
agad.
footage on
Yeah.
how he stood up. Oh, anyway, we're about to witness the victory lap of Renzi Kidlat Vigo on your screen right now. Congratulations once again to TWPO PH Racing Team. Wow! Grabe, what a race. Vigo came from behind actually and then went up to P4 and then just within one lap, he took over everyone taking the first spot. Kidlat, grabe, kidlat ka talaga.
Wow,
You're so fast.
what an entertaining race, ha?
Grabe.
So, I think this is a race for the fans, and I think Petron Scooter King is a good way of showcasing the Petron Scooter.
Of
At,
course.
talagang
yes.
iba talaga pag may cash prize.
At iba talaga kapag ang gamit nyo ay Petron Sprint
Let's look